माननीय वी विजय साई रेड्डी.
Thank you, sir. Sir, is it a fact that funds from the Central Road Fund are being used in infrastructure and other development projects? And if yes, how many such projects have been undertaken by the ministry in the year 2021 and 22? And how is the allocation percentage decided for roads and highways, waterways and development projects from the same Central Road Fund? Thank you.
Thank you.
So the CRF as it used to exist was amended in 2018 by a finance ministry consultation at that time, and subsequently also amended in year 2018. And it was included that CRF becomes CRIF, in which infrastructure was included. It is not just the roads, but road and infrastructure fund. The whole thing is now, as per the rules of business, is under the Ministry of Finance, which allocates and looks after this entire fund, which is meant for all kinds of infrastructure. Because it was visualized that Central Road Fund, which was dependent on the cess that used to be charged at that time on petrol and diesel consumption, was only catering for a particular part of the infrastructure. And therefore, the ambit has been enlarged. Where the road part is concerned, which is what my ministry deals with, the allocation is based on 30% consumption on the oil and petrol and 70% of the geographical area as a guiding factor. Now, based on this, the finalization of projects is done in consultation with the states, UTs, and it is put up to the finance ministry, which ultimately allocates the particular amount. The administrative approval for the projects is also taken from the states. The states have their area has been enlarged in terms of decision making, and even the supervision of the projects is now done by the states. A utilization certificate is taken from the state, based on which further accrual is calculated and further allocations is done as per the projects which have been approved.
धन्यवाद. Dr. Ashok Bajpai ji.